Hey y'all, it's been a minute. It looks like all of Kim Zolciak's family is truly falling apart. Kim and Croy are in the middle of a messy divorce, but not divorce. We're together, but not together. We filed, but then we canceled it. And then their next daughter, she is in the middle of her legal battles with credit cards. And then now we got Ariana last year. She was arrested in 2022 for drinking and driving, and it's just a hot mess. The whole family is falling apart. I'm praying for the little ones behind them. I mean, what are they looking up to? This is really a hot mess. We got to get into this story. Ariana's, asking the judge to deny evidence that, the police entered into their police report with this whole drinking and driving thing she got going on. And ma'am, you did the crime. You got to serve your time. Y'all know how I am. To every consequence, to every action, there's a consequence. Let's get into this, y'all. Welcome to Warriors Corner. If this is your first time, welcome. If not, I'm glad you're back again. Hit the like button on this video. Comment your thoughts and opinions below in the comment section. And if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell on all. That way you see each and every time I post a video with you in mind. Let's get into this. Ooh, Ariana, you have learned a lot from your mama, as we can see, a whole lot from your mama, but no judgment at all. We don't judge. Kim Zolciak's 21-year-old daughter, Ariana, accuses cops of unlawful seize during DUI arrest, demands evidence be tossed out. Okay. So here is Kim, here is Ariana. They look just alike. I mean, Kim, might as well be her age. Ariana might as well be her mama age. Like, they just, wow. This is so sad. And now, mind you, she was drinking and driving. She's 21 now. She was drinking and driving at the age of 20. So not only was she drinking and driving, you were under the influence and under the age to be able to drink. This is a mess. Kim Zolciak's daughter, Ariana, has demanded prosecutors not be allowed to use evidence illegally collected during her DUI arrest during the trial, Radar Online has learned. According to the court documents obtained by RadarOnline.com, the 21-year-old Ariana said all evidence gathered after the initial stop and detention of her car should be excluded from being used against her. Now, I thought, when there's a case open, anytime evidence comes in, it could be added to the case if it is valuable evidence. But maybe I'm wrong. So for those of y'all who are in the law and into all of that, let me know. Let me know. As RadarOnline.com has previously reported, in August 2022, Ariana was arrested for driving under the influence in Georgia. The then 20-year-old was pulled over while driving in Forster County after hitting another vehicle. So not only were you driving under the influence, not only were you underage drinking, you hit someone and could have possibly put somebody's life in danger. After hitting another vehicle. While speaking to police, Ariana denied drinking alcohol but admitted to smoking THC vape pen the night before. So at least almost 24 hours have gone by and you still lifted off the THC pen? The official police report noted officers said they could smell alcohol or Ariana's breath and even her clothes. Ariana was taken into custody after cops said she had noticeable sway during her field sobriety test. So now you just weighing down your little sobriety, like, girl, mom, ma'am, where's your mama at? Well, we know where your mama at. She's somewhere lighting up a cigarette, running up the slot machines, and drinking as well. So mama stressed out, stepdaddy stressed out, big sister stressed out, you stressed out, all of the clan are stressed out. And y'all are turning to alcohol, which we have watched Kim do for years. This is so sad. Ariana was booked on 3 charges: misdemeanor DUI, misdemeanor improper erratic lane change, and underage alcohol possession, purchase of alcohol. Sources told TMZ that Ariana bailed out of jail hours after being booked. In a new motion, Ariana said at the time of her initial detention, sufficient facts did not exist to support an articulable suspicion that defendant was under the influence of alcohol or drugs, or that any other criminal activity was underfoot. Well, a criminal, I don't want to, well, is it a criminal activity? Well, yes. Well, according to what they were saying, what happened was a criminal activity, and you hit somebody's car. So, I mean, that is a crime. I would like to think. I mean, to hit somebody's car. I mean, is it a? I mean, it's a violation. It's definitely a violation. It's definitely a violation for sure. So, I mean, the least you could get is a fine for that. But for some reason, I'm really believing this under the influence of drinking story. I really could, because you got a lot going on. So I understand. I understand. But you're 20, you were driving, and you hit someone's car. Not acceptable. Ariana said she had not committed any traffic violation prior to being detained by the law enforcement. Ariana argued that her initial detention was an unlawful warrant seize, um, not supported by probable cause or artic. Oh, I hate articulable, suspicion, violation, her rights under the Fourth Amendment of the Constitution of the United States. Her motion demanded that the court exclude the evidence illegally obtained and the direct prosecutor and the state witness not to be used or mentioned otherwise referred to such evidence at the trial. So pretty much she don't want them to use the sobriety test. She didn't want them to use um, anything that they have collected, her car, anything during this time, because the car has damage because you hit someone else's car. So that is evidence. Like, this is a part of the case, ma'am. So I'm confused on how you want them to dismiss all of this stuff, and you did it. Like, you did it. Regardless of whether or not you was under the influence or not, you still hit somebody's car. That's evidence. In addition, Ariana said she wants any talk to her refusing to take a chemical test at the scene to be excluded. She argued her refusal was justified because the machine in which she was to test was not being operated with all its electronic and operating components as prescribed by the manufacturer, properly attached in good working order. This is a bunch of words put together, made up. This is a bunch of BS. You failed the walking test, honey. That's enough. Further, she asked that any evidence of her field sobriety test be dismissed. Her lawyer argued the officer who performed the test was not properly trained, and therefore the test is invalid. A judge has yet to rule. As RadarOnline.com previously reported, Ariana's mom and Corey Bierman are in the middle of a bitter divorce and facing numerous lawsuits over the alleged debts. Ariana's sister recently dealt with her own lawsuit over credit card debt. Whew. Here's the girls. Here's the family. Your faces are all blown up. Your faces, are all, plumped up and y'all doing y'all thing, but you're in debt. You're getting locked up. You're drinking, hitting people's car, lawsuits with credit cards. Like, this is sad. This is like an all-time low. Like, I really hate to see the Kim Zolciak and her family, going through all of this. This is really, really sad. Y'all leave your thoughts and opinions below in the comment section. I think I've expressed my opinions enough throughout the story. Hit the like button if you're not a subscriber. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell on all. That way you see each and every time I post a video with you in mind. Here's the thing, y'all. We have seen this with other people, and it did not turn out this way. So the fact that this young girl is still walking around, doing what she wants to do, having the freedom to, live life, and you allegedly, according to all of the evidence that has been presented, were under the influence, under the age, drinking, and could have seriously hurt someone or yourself. It's problematic. Something must be done. Y'all leave your thoughts and opinions below. Hit the like button on this video. Subscribe. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And I will catch y'all next time in Warriors Corner. Subscribe, hit that like button, and comment. Bye.